Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create text in Adobe Photoshop. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Adobe Photoshop. So now I'm going to show you how you can create text. So you simply need to come on to this text icon. Here you can see horizontal, vertical. So I'm going to select horizontal type tool for example. Okay. And from here you need to select the color. So let me come back onto the color palette. From here you can select colors. So I'm going with blue for example. Okay, click on OK. Then you need to go back and click here. So now you can, so I'm going to add the name of my channel for example, and you simply need to click on this tick mark on the top. Okay, then you need to come back and go on to the selection tool and make your text bigger like this. Okay, so let's suppose I want to write text in a box. So you simply need to come onto the text tool and make a box, and it will select text here as you can see that, and you can modify that text as well. So this is the easy process by which you can create text in Adobe Photoshop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.